Now Amido Akwa is a poor ball from Kote. He's able to get the ball back for Asante Kotoko. Esiedu slips and falls. He sends in a cross. It's a header from Mukwala. And it's an opening goal for Asante Kotoko. The Porcupines in the lead at the Golden City Park. A diving header from the Ugandan Desse Mukwala puts the Porcupines ahead, and he gets his 12th of the season. Good work by Emmanuel Kote, wonderful delivery. And the Porcupines in the lead at the Golden City Park. Look at Kote picking up the ball after Asiedu slipped and fell down. He sees Mukwala making a run in front of Zakaria Fuseni. He goes down and heads the ball. It's a beautiful goal by Desse Mukwala. Great work done by the right back. Emmanuel Kote is gradually coming into his elements. Wonderful cross, and Mukwala. That is a clever header from Mukwala. He had to improvise, go down, move the body forward, and get an opener. That's the reaction of this Asante Kotoko fan.